In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment to email in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook site and sign in with your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one you intend to send from. Once you're in, you'll land on your inbox. Next, get a message ready to attach a file to. You can start fresh by selecting New Mail, which opens a new Compose window, or if you already drafted something earlier, click Drafts in the left sidebar and open the message you want to finish. Either way works the same for adding an attachment, so choose what's quickest for you. In the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon, often labeled Attach. Depending on your layout, it can appear in the toolbar at the top of the message or along the bottom next to formatting tools. If you don't see it immediately, click the three dots to expand more options, and you should find the paperclip there. Click the paperclip, then choose Browse this computer. Outlook may show other options like attaching from cloud storage. For files saved on your device, Browse this computer is the fastest path. This opens your file picker so you can navigate to the exact folder you need. Now select the file you want to include and upload it. You can choose documents, images, PDFs, spreadsheets, or compressed zip files, among others. After you click Open, Outlook will upload the file and display it below the subject line in the Compose window. Give it a moment for larger files to finish. You'll know it's ready when you see the file name with an icon and no progress indicator. If the file is too large, Outlook may suggest sharing a link from your cloud storage instead. In that case, consider saving it to your cloud drive or compressing it into a zip to reduce the size. Before you finalize your email, double check that the correct file is attached. If you need to change it, click the small X next to the attachment to remove it and repeat the attach step. Keep file names clear and avoid including any sensitive personal information in the attachment itself. If you're sending to someone outside your organization, make sure the file format is something they can open easily. That's it. You've successfully added an attachment to your Outlook email using your browser. Compose your message, add recipients and a subject, and you're ready to send with confidence.